Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by bringing the key fob with you and entering the car. This signals the system. Once inside, fasten your seatbelt and adjust the seat and mirrors so you're comfortable. Put your right foot firmly on the brake pedal. This is required on most vehicles for a safe start. Make sure the gear selector is in park or neutral. If it's not, the car won't allow engine start. Now you're ready for the next step. You press the brake fully, then press the push start button briefly. This signals the starter. Do not hold the button unless the manual tells you to. Listen for the engine turning over and watch the instrument cluster for stabilizing lights. They confirm systems are initializing. If you only need electrical power for accessories, press the button without the brake to enter accessory mode and press again for ignition mode. Make sure the engine settles to idle before shifting. Once the engine idles steadily, release the parking brake and shift into drive or reverse when safe. You're now ready to move. If the car won't start, first verify the key fob battery and that you're pressing the brake fully. Many systems refuse start without proper brake input. Also confirm the transmission is in park or neutral. If you still have problems, use the manual key override or consult the owner's manual for immobilizer resets or error code guidance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.